First of all, we open the official website of Cliproxy and click on the download button at the top. Then, download the corresponding client according to your operating system and install it. Open the Cliproxy client, enter your account username and password to log into your account. Click on SOCKS 5 proxy on the left side, and then filter the conditions such as the country from which you want to extract IPs below. After the filtering is completed, click on the search button on the right to refresh the proxy list below. Select an IP that you need to extract from below, right-click on it and forward it to an idle port. At this time, it will be automatically extracted. Click on the copy button on the right side of this IP, and then you can paste it into your business port for use in the next step. Here we'll demonstrate the process of pasting it into an anti-detection browser for use. At this point, you can see that the proxy has been successfully connected.